Hello, good morning everyone. Good morning, young Padawans. So, today is a great day, and we are going to talk about Monday's price action review of the month of June. So, today we are talking about week 1 of the month of June 2026. So, let's just do a quick review on what I was anticipating on GBPUSD. So right here is week 3, right here is week 4, and week 4 took out one side of the range of week 3 and closed back in the range. So this is week 4. Week 4 is our manipulation candle range, which is also reacting from the premium zone because it's above the equilibrium. So right here we can see it clearly that it didn't stop this zone right here of week 1's low, but there was an unimaginary fair value gap that is at this zone right here. Now for the trade I took on Monday, I was already expecting the midpoint of this candle range right here, the midpoint of our Friday, to be a rejection block. So I was already anticipating the midpoint of our Friday, of our week 4 candle range, the week to be our rejection block. So, and you can see what I wrote here clearly. I said expecting week 1 of June to either be the accumulation phase or react from the midpoint of our rejection block, which is actually happening right now. So going to the lower time frame, which is our daily time frame. Going to our daily time frame. Right here we can see it clearly that Friday was actually reacting from the midpoint of our rejection block. Friday, which is last week price action, was actually reacting from this midpoint of our rejection block, which is very sensitive. So, and is also very sensitive to mark out your drawn liquidity immediately. So since the weekly time frame is already aligning with the daily time frame, I can fully say that I'm bearish on GBPUSD. And not only that I'm bearish on GBPUSD, I am bearish till this level of 1.3301, because this level right here is our victory's low. But due to public sake, I won't disclose a lot of what I was my foresight on this trade. So we also have this zone which market won't leave, and we have this 50% of our weekly CRT candle range. We also have this Friday's low first, which is our main draw on liquidity. So Friday, let's read this carefully. We can see it clearly that Friday took out both Wednesday and Thursday high and closed back in the range. So our bearish momentum has been confirmed. So this was my anticipation on Friday price action / Monday of week 1 of the month of June. So going to the daily time, the hourly time frame. why am I going to the hourly time frame? I didn't see any significant zone where I can trigger my execution from on the 4-hour time frame. That's why I'm going to the daily time frame. Why? CRT confirm on the daily time frame, then you project to the lower time frame, which is the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour time frame right here, there wasn't any significant zone where I can actually consider as my key level. So going to the micro time frame, which is the 15 minutes time frame, I choose this zone right here because it was reacting from a 15 minutes order block. So this is our 15-minute order block right here. This candle range right here is our 15-minute order block, which was reacting from the midpoint of our weekly rejection block, and is also a Friday large wick. So this is the high of Friday, which formed a classic order block, and you can see it clearly that I marked it out. You can see clearly that I marked it out, and market reacted from there, from that zone exactly at the key time of the day. So right here, market actually formed a London session secret mode. That's why I call this type of trade, in which Asian session will range, then at a key time of the day, reacting from a key level, manipulation will occur, and then 5 will consolidate because my manipulation has already occurred. 5 will range within that zone of manipulation, and then 9 will distribute to our key level. So concerning this, that's why I said choosing your drawn liquidity is very sensitive. Knowing where to place your drawn liquidity, knowing when to exit the market is very, very sensitive. So right here, this is how the trade was taken, and we sell right here because this is our key level. So we sell right here, our 15-minute order block, and our take profit right here, our top loss right here, 9 pip, and our take profit right here, which is giving us 7 RR, 7 risk to reward. But I wasn't on charts when market, the algorithm was actually reacting from this zone, and I didn't set an alarm, so I had to take the trade from this zone right here. I had to take the trade from this zone right here and put my stop loss somewhere right here. It was a 10 pip stop loss, and I shared it with my Telegram subscribers. So this was the trade I took with my channel subscribers exactly. So this is how is it. So this all I can actually say for today's trade. Yesterday's trade, which is 1st of June 2026. So I hope you found something insightful in this video. I hope you actually learned something, and I wish you good luck and good trading. So for the execution, we have this is the live execution of the trade I took today. I took on Monday, 1st June 2026. So this is the live execution. So wish you all good luck and good trading.